Thanks, Green Lantern, Aquaman, and I don't think we've properly met. What's your name, friend? No time for talk. You're right. That dark side packs quite a wallop. A little longer in the sun, and I'll be back to full strength.
Can you soak up those rays any quicker, Superman? Looks like we might need your powers sooner than we thought.
What is that? Dark side.
Jimmy, get as many shots of this as you can.
Hey, those guys are not getting knocked off world.
It looks like Darkseid is pulling his punches.
Did he just throw the fight?
Looks that way.
So he's made the imposters more popular than ever?
So they can keep looking for the anti-life equation, and we can't warn anyone.
Joker, we'll need you and your friends.
Huh? What gives, Bats?
The world thinks the crime syndicate are heroes. So, if they want to be the good guys, I guess we'll just have to be the bad guys.
What do you say?
Okay, leave it to me. If I can get them to stop arguing for 5 minutes, we're in.
Well, I say we should try to start our own
Can't
crime
we pretend to
syndicate.
be heroes?
Don't be stupid.
I think
There's
we should
twice
ask
as many
Lex
as
for
there was
help.
already.
We've got work to do.